255,000 Amex membership rewards points. That's enough for a round-trip business class ticket to Japan, 2 round trips to Europe, or close to $2,500 in free travel. And every single point came from things most people either don't know about or forget to use. No extra spending, no complicated strategies, just 7 specific methods that work right now. And at least 2 of them require almost zero effort. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stack all 7 and start building a points balance that actually gets you somewhere worth going. Let's get into it. The first method might be the most underrated points opportunity Amex offers, and it takes about 60 seconds. It's called a pay over time activation offer. Here's how it works. Certain Amex cards, the Green, Gold, Platinum, and Centurion, are technically charge cards, meaning they're designed to be paid in full each month. But Amex gives cardholders the option to turn on a feature called Pay Over Time, which allows you to carry a balance with interest on eligible purchases. Now, and this is important, you do not need to carry a balance to earn the bonus. You just need to activate the feature. That's it. Amex periodically sends targeted offers to cardholders for doing exactly this. We're talking 20,000 membership rewards points just for clicking Activate. No new card application, no spending requirement, no impact on your credit score. Just turn it on and collect the points, typically within 2 to 3 business days. These offers show up in 3 places: your email inbox, your Amex online dashboard under the Amex Offers and Benefits section, and on the right-hand side panel when you're logged in on desktop. Here's the pro tip. If your pay over time feature is already switched on, Amex has no reason to incentivize you to activate it. So log into your account, navigate to Account Services, click Payment and Credit Options, then Manage Pay Over Time, and turn it off. Do this for every eligible card you have. Then wait. When Amex decides to target you, the offer appears, and those 20,000 points are yours for free. That's roughly $400 in travel value for 2 mouse clicks. Most people have heard of Rakuten. Fewer people know you can flip a switch and earn Amex points instead of cashback, which is where the real value is. Rakuten is an online shopping portal that partners with thousands of retailers: Best Buy, Apple, Under Armour, Nike, and hundreds more. When you shop through Rakuten's links, you earn a percentage back on top of whatever your credit card already earns. Rates typically range from 2% to 10% and sometimes higher during promotional periods. By default, Rakuten pays you in cash. But here's the move. Go into your Rakuten account settings, scroll down to the payout method section, and switch it from cash back to Amex membership rewards points. As long as you have at least one Amex card linked to your profile, this option is available. Here's a real example of what that looks like. A $200 Best Buy purchase through Rakuten at a 2% rate would normally earn $24 cashback. Switch to points mode, and that same purchase earns 2,400 Amex points instead. At a conservative redemption value of 1.8 to 2 cents per point, those 2,400 points are worth $43 to $48, nearly double the cashback value. And if you don't have a Rakuten account yet, there's a welcome bonus for new signups. Spend $30 or more through a Rakuten partner store within your first 90 days, and you'll earn a $30 bonus, or $3,000 Amex points if you're in points mode. The sign-up link is in the description below. This is one of the easiest double-dipping opportunities in the points world. You earn from your Amex card, you earn from Rakuten, and both stack on the same transaction. But this is where it gets even more interesting. On top of your base card earnings and Rakuten, there's a third layer most people completely overlook: Amex Offers. Think of Amex Offers as digital coupons loaded directly onto your card. Once activated, they trigger automatically when you make a qualifying purchase. No promo codes, no scanning receipts, just spend and earn. Log into your Amex account, scroll down to the Amex Offers and Benefits section, and you'll see a long scrollable list. Many offers are for statement credits, but there's a solid selection of point earning opportunities too. For example, an extra 1 point per dollar spent at Macy's, up to 10,000 bonus points. An extra point per dollar at Best Buy, up to 5,000 points. 2 extra points per dollar at select gas stations like Phillips 66, or flat bonus offers. Spend $60 with UPS online and earn 1,000 points. Spend $25 at Pete's Coffee and earn 1,000 points, repeatable up to 3 times. Now here's where the stacking gets powerful. Take Best Buy as an example. Activate the Amex offer for an extra point per dollar. Shop through Rakuten at 2% back-in points mode. Pay with your Amex Gold card, which earns base points on every purchase. You're now earning from 3 separate sources on a single transaction. That's the kind of layering that builds a points balance fast. The challenge with Amex Offers is that managing them manually, across multiple cards, each with different offers, takes real time and effort. That's where today's sponsor comes in. Mates Rewards is an app built specifically for people who want to maximize their credit card rewards without spending hours managing them. It connects all your credit cards in one place, shows your full rewards balance in both dollars and points, and, tracks your spending by week, month, and year across every card. But the feature that's most relevant here is at the gold level. Mates Rewards automatically activates all your card-linked offers, Amex Offers, Chase Offers, and more, so you never miss a bonus opportunity again. It also recommends the best card to use based on your location or spending category, so you're always earning at the highest possible rate without having to think about it. If you want to try it, the link below gets you a 1-week free gold trial plus a 1-month discount. You can also download the app and use the code in the description to claim the same deal. Now back to earning more points. This one is straightforward, but the numbers add up fast. Amex allows you to refer friends and family to their credit cards. When someone gets approved using your referral link, you earn bonus points. On the Platinum card, for example, that bonus can be 30,000 points per approved referral, with a cap of 100,000 points per card per year. Run the math. 4 referrals at 30,000 points each equals 120,000 points. That's a business class seat to Europe on many transfer partners, just from introducing people to a card you already use. And here's what makes it an easy conversation. The person you're referring still gets the full public welcome offer. They're not getting a reduced deal because you referred them. It's a genuine win for both sides. Some referral offers also come with a second component, like earning 3 times points per dollar on eligible purchases for 3 months after a successful referral on up to $25,000 in spending. That's a significant earning boost layered on top of the referral bonus itself. Check your referral links inside your Amex account. Each card has its own link, and the offers vary, so look at all of them. If you're building an Amex point strategy from scratch, this is where the real acceleration happens. The Amex Green, Gold, and Platinum cards each come with a welcome offer for new cardholders. And when you stack all 3 in the right order, the combined points total is substantial. Here's what current offers can look like. The Green card at 40,000 points after meeting the spend requirement, the Gold card at 90,000 points, and the Platinum card at 125,000 points. Together, that's 255,000 points. If you time the applications correctly and meet the spend thresholds through your normal everyday spending. The spend requirements are typically spread over 3 to 6 months, so there's no need to stretch your budget. The key is to make sure the amount required lines up with what you'd be spending anyway. Now here's the critical part that most people get wrong. The order matters. Amex generally does not allow you to earn a welcome offer on a card you've previously held. So if you apply for the Platinum first, you lock yourself out of the Green and Gold welcome offers permanently. Go in this order. Green first, then Gold, then Platinum. Each one opens the door to the next. Skip the order, and you could leave 130,000 points on the table. And to be clear, the alternative to using a credit card for your everyday spending is a debit card that earns you absolutely nothing. These points come from purchases you were already going to make. 255,000 points. That's what this one section alone can deliver when executed correctly. Similar to the pay over time offers, Amex occasionally targets cardholders with bonus points for adding additional card members to their account. These show up in the same places: your email, your Amex dashboard under offers, and sometimes directly on the Amex website when you're browsing while logged in. A typical offer might look like this. Earn 5,000 points for adding an authorized user to your Platinum, once that user spends $2,000 within their first 6 months. On a business card, it might be 7,000 points per employee card added, up to 5 employees, meaning up to 35,000 bonus points just from a single card. Some cardholders have seen offers as high as 20,000 points per authorized user added on premium cards. A few things to keep in mind. These offers have expiration dates, so act quickly when you see them. The authorized user needs to actually reach the spend threshold for you to receive the bonus. And just like pay over time offers, not everyone gets targeted. But keeping an eye on your dashboard regularly is the easiest way to catch them when they appear. If you have a spouse, partner, or family member who could benefit from being added to your account anyway, this turns that decision into a points earning opportunity on top of the convenience it already provides. The final method is upgrade offers. And the most important thing to say about this one up front is timing is everything. An upgrade offer means Amex is inviting you to move from one tier of card to a higher one, say Gold up to Platinum, and rewarding you with bonus points for doing so. A typical offer might be 25,000 points plus 5 times earning on supermarkets, gas stations, and restaurants for 6 months after upgrading, on up to $15,000 in combined purchases. That's meaningful earning power. But here's the catch. Once you upgrade a card, that card is now considered a card you currently hold. And Amex's general policy is that you cannot earn a new welcome offer on a card you currently have or have previously held. That means if you upgrade from Gold to Platinum, you now have a Platinum. And you can no longer apply for a brand new Platinum card and collect a 125,000 point welcome offer. The upgrade offer gave you 25,000. The new application would have given you 125,000. The difference is 100,000 points. The right approach: apply for each card individually first, green, then gold, then platinum, collect the welcome offers, and then treat upgrade offers as a bonus later down the road, once you've already locked in the bigger opportunities. Upgrade offers are valuable. Just don't let them close the door on something 5 times larger. So let's put this all together. Pay overtime activation, 20,000 points. Rakuten on regular shopping, thousands more per year based on your spending. Amex offers stacked on top, hundreds to thousands per month. Referrals, up to 100,000 points per card per year. Welcome offers across green, gold, and platinum, 255,000 points. Authorized user bonuses, up to 35,000 per card. Upgrade offers used at the right time, 25,000 or more. None of this requires you to spend more than you already do. It just requires knowing where to look and setting things up correctly. If you want to start with the easiest wins, check the links below. The Rakuten sign-up bonus and the Mates Rewards free trial are both quick to activate and immediately useful. And if you want to map out the card application sequence to make sure you capture those welcome offers in the right order, the next video covers the exact Amex application rules you need to know. It's linked at the end of this video. Watch that one next. The points are already out there. You just have to go get them.